Hello everyone, welcome to Teacher's Tech. Today we are going to see about key selector using Python. So this is a website. Here we are going to select the Spark key. Here are some details. First you are selecting material steel. Then you are selecting module value 4. Okay. Then displays the data available in the right hand side. Now we are selecting number of teeth. For example, I am selecting 44. Automatically it displays the pitch diameter. Okay. Pitch diameter and the bore diameter, tooth finish, standard and high precision. If I select standard, it shows 176 pitch dia and bore dia is 25. If I select high precision, it shows 30. Okay, like this we are it is program. Now the same program we are going to do in Python. So once we select module and number of teeth, you will get all the data. Yes, the same concept we are going to use in Python. So yes, this is the program written in Python. So for the same concept is applied here. So if we run the program, so it asks the module value, I enter 4, then it is displaying some number of teeth. I am going to give the same value 44. So immediately it displays the pitch diameter, bore diameter. Okay, the same what is given here, the same pitch diameter and the bore diameter for standard. Yeah, you are getting the same value for standard. Then for precision, high precision, we are getting the same value. If we select precision, high precision here, if we select this, you get the same value. What you're getting here, the same value you'll be getting here. Okay, so the same concept is programmed here using Python. Now we can see how this program is executed. So first of all, I have taken the data by selecting a particular material and module. I selected 4. For this particular module alone, I have programmed the number of teeth. I am not going to specific. Here I am going to select not selected, and for pitch diameter also I am going to select not selected, bore diameter also not selected, and tooth finishes also I am going to select only the standard. All the standard values for the given module and number of teeth is displayed here. I just copy, select all, right click, copy, then I paste it in an Excel. So I remove the other datas, so what is not required, removing the module also. So I removed other datas. So next you can go back and select high precision for the same selection, and I'm getting different data. I select all, right click and copy, I paste in the same file. Here also I'm going to remove the unwanted data. Okay, remove the module also. Remove the data. Remove the data. Okay, standard also I'm removing. Okay, so now here you are having the standard data and high precision data. In high precision data, the same pitch diameter value you have for number of teeth. So we can remove this also. Okay, now only bore diameter and number of teeth is in high precision side. This is in high precision side. This is standard side. So now we want to include this data here. So matchingly you have to say the number of teeth. According to the number of teeth you have to paste the data. Only the bore diameter is varying. Same number of teeth you have to paste the data. Okay. So once you finish, now no need number of teeth again, so delete it. So now you are having number of teeth and pitch diameter, next standard bore diameter, and then you have high precision bore diameter. Empty space I am filling with NA, that is mean not available. So this is, I am not using any formula here. Why? Because this is industry company data. So what they available in company they are displaying. So for that only the program is made. So here I am not using any formulas. Okay. Now I am going to save this one. You have to save it in the root folder. So choose your root folder. So after going, you can give a name for the file. It is case sensitive. So now you are going to save in CSV. In that format, I am going to save it. Copy this name and then save it. Yes, give yes to all and close it. Save, save. Yes, yes, right. Now we can come back to the program. So the same name has to be pasted here. So this is for reading the CSV file. You have written the program. So same file name should be pasted. Yes, you can see the program. So first one is import CSV. Then only you can call that CSV file and read the CSV file. Then the first thing is T. It is for number of tooth. In the Excel sheet, you have number of teeth values. That values will be stored in this T, capital T, and the pitch diameter value in the Excel file. The value will be stored here. It is represented by capital P. Okay. Then similarly, capital B is for bore diameter for standard value. So the third row of the Excel cell it has. Then bore diameter for the high precision tooth finish. It is represented by capital H. Okay. Now here, if you come to the CSV reader, now you are calling that file. So with this command we are calling that particular file, and first one is key append row 0. Here that row 0, that means I go to that Excel file. Yeah, this first one, first row, this is row 0, number of teeth. Then next one, row 1. So row 1 is pitch diameter, is row 1. And row 2, this is row 2, bore diameter for standard tooth precision. And next row, this is for bore diameter for high precision. Okay. Then append. Append means the data whatever stored here, it will be stored to that particular value. Each one is stored in that particular capital T, capital P, capital B, and capital H. Okay. Next part, I am writing the heading. So this is the heading. For this, this is the program code. You represent with the title. Then next one, we are getting the value module ms4. So that is the value we are getting from the user. Then number of available teeth, that is listed below. Okay. So print t, that means what are the values present in this particular t, it should be displayed. Okay. So this all values will be displayed. Number of teeth. Okay. Once you written that, it is displayed. And the next one, in that you are asked to choose any one from the user. The user will select any one value from the given data. Okay. That is stored in name variable called truth. Okay. Next, if the truth is present in t, these commands will be executed. Okay. These commands will be executed. If it is not present, it will give error. That is the if statement. If this statement is not there, it will give error. Else, it should display error. Okay. Okay. If it is true, then what is the next? Now we are going to say where this particular 44 is available. That address location is stored in P. You can check here. Okay. Okay. Run the P. It is at 26. So it is in the 26th place. It starts from 0. Okay. In Excel it starts from 1. So you will have 27. Okay. Here because Excel starts from 1. So you have to reduce one value. Okay. So that is the location of that number 44. Okay. It displays that. So now that value is called. Okay. So that value is stored in P, small letter P. Okay. So next I am going to give some space. Okay. Next, yet asking the to display the module value. Okay, what we entered the same value. The module is asked before. Okay, we have asked here the user. He will enter 4. The same value will be displayed here. Okay. Similarly, and that R just is for write justified. Okay. So similarly, we are going to display the value which the number of teeth entered by the user. What is the user entered? The same. So next, we are going to display the pitch diameter. This P represents, small letter P represents address location of that particular number 44, that is 26. In P26, what is the value available? In Excel, it is P27 because it starts from 1. So that particular value will be displayed here. Okay, that particular value is called here. So you have that same value. Okay, so the same thing will be called for standard, and for high precision also you are using the same concept. In that particular row, what is the data available, that will be called. Okay, see here in the same, what is the value, this is capital B26 and capital H26, the same value is called here. So this is what the program. So we got the same result. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, contact me in comment section. Thank you.